Hello, my lovelies. How are you today? I hope you're good. Join me today as I share my Chinese chicken fried rice recipe with you. I hope your week has been great. To start with, you need to cook your plain rice hours before. In my own case, I cooked it a day before. It has to be cold. It's not something you will cook few minutes before you stir fries. So I cooked a night before. I learned that the Chinese created this dish from leftover rice. I'm not so sure about this, but you can Google it out. Google is our friend. You can fact check it if it's true. But if you find out what it is, just leave it a comment in the comment section so I can learn as well from you. Anyway, if that is the case, that means they are very smart in order to improvise and not to waste food. Even consider the cost of food around the world these days. I think this is a great idea. So to start with, I marinated my chicken breast few minutes like 20 minutes before it. So if you're that type that love rice, this is one. The Chinese fried rice is this very one is without egg, but if you want egg, I think I would later do another video when you have to use egg, but this one is perfect for those that doesn't eat egg. So it's applicable, this method is also applicable to prawns, any seafood or beef. So I started by mixing the sesame oil with sunflower. Then I preheat the oil for 3 to 5 minutes. Then added my chicken breast, stir fry again for quick minute till it's almost 70% done. It's a quick meal that can be enjoyed by every members of family. And in days like you don't feel like cooking anything or you're running out of time, you have things you can put to use in your fridge. Just create this. It's something that everyone will enjoy and it saves time. It's a perfect one. I recommend it. So vegetable can be tailored to your preference, but it's also advisable. One key thing I'm going to tell you about when you're making your Chinese fried rice is you don't add salt until towards the end of the cooking. Why am I saying this? Soy sauce that will be used along. There are two types of soy sauce. We have the dark soy sauce and we have the light soy sauce. The dark soy sauce is more salty. It's saltier than the light soy sauce. So at the end, you have to be careful, especially if you're not a pro in cooking. So you have to perfect the taste after the use of your soy sauce, so that it won't be too salty at the end of the day. So a dark soy sauce and soy sauce, the work of the soy sauce is that it changes the color of the rice. Like if you're from West Africa, Nigeria, where I'm from, we have our own way of cooking our fried rice, which we use the curry and the thyme to change the color to something yellowish, greenish. So in case of this one, the soy sauce is what is doing the magic that is going to make it darker. The more soy sauce you use, the more darker it is, the rice in color. So make sure you separate the rice before you stir fry it together with the vegetable, because cold rice tends to be molded together. So you can see as I was trying to separate it, then you add your soy sauce and you just mix everything together. Again, and traditionally the Chinese use dry mushroom in making authentic Chinese fried rice. So maybe I'm going to later on in and do another video where I'll be using dry mushroom and I'll be using egg. So, but if for those people that doesn't want it too authentic or doesn't have egg, this is a perfect recipe for you. So, how do I know this? Years ago, I did a very short course for 3 months with a Chinese in a college, like a cooking school for 3 months, and I was taught by the Chinese. So you can fact check that they actually use dry mushroom. So it's a perfect dish. So let me know in the comment section if you will be creating this meal. It's yummy, it's tasty, it's quick. Remember to like, leave a comment, and please that comment engages my page, my channel. The more comment, the more engaging you have, the more visible my channel will be. See you in my next video. Thank you guys. I tried making this video a 3 minute video, but unfortunately I couldn't. Thank you for watching. See you again soon.